Top 5 Best Home Gyms. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Marcy MD9010G. While this heavy-duty unit may be overkill for many home gyms users, it's undoubtedly one of the best on the market at the moment, as we conclude in the main review of the MD9010G. The MD9010G shows off a wide range of Olympic plate-loaded stations, including both a free weight squat rack and an incorporated Smith machine, as well as a dual high-pulley cable crossover system. This alone is an excellent pairing, allowing for many different movements. This home gym system is made with heavy-duty steel frame reinforced with durable powder-coated finish. It utilizes sturdy aircraft cable with a tensile strength of 2,000 pounds. That's guaranteed to withstand intense long-lasting use. This complete training system features an innovative structure that combines arm and leg stations for strengthening different muscle groups and executing comprehensive workouts, limiting the need to switch between gym equipment. This versatile weight system home gym is designed with dual-action press arms. The press arms allow you to perform a variety of arm and chest exercises to develop your biceps, triceps, pectorals, and other muscle groups. However, it also comes with some classic multi-gym features, including a low rotation, butterfly arms, leg developer and a preacher pad. The fact that Marcy does it all at a relatively affordable price and compact size just adds to the value. At number 2, Bowflex PR1000. The popular PR1000 is another innovative multi-gym from the legendary Bowflex, although one that comes in at a more affordable price when compared to the Blaze. This highly rated unit features 210 pounds of adjustable power rod resistance, with both an upper and lower pulley system. Combined with the various attachments, it promises more than 25 exercises, allowing you a solid total body workout. Thanks to the folding bench, it's also a pretty compact machine that works great in small spaces. Bowflex power rod units give you the resistance that feels as good as free weights but without the inertia usually associated with free weights. Get a full body workout with the horizontal bench press and rowing machine rail that folds up when you're done with your workout. Built-in media rack makes it easy to follow along with trainer-led videos designed specifically for your PR1000 home gym. At number 3, Bowflex Exceed. The power rod system on Bowflex machines will never offer the same beastly feel of hoisting sizable Olympic weight plates, yet they are certainly no toy. With up to 410 pounds of upgradable resistance on offer, 210 pounds included, the Bowflex Blaze is a worthy contender for anyone looking to get in great shape at home. This innovative multi-gym offers multiple workout stations, a versatile upper and lower pulley system, and several attachments for more than 65 movements. As well as working your muscles, you can also give your cardiovascular system some attention with the built-in aerobic rower. Simply adjust the seat on the bench and off you go. When you are done with your workout, you can fold the rail upwards, a great space-saving design. Power rod resistance. 210 pounds of power rod resistance standard, upgradable to 310 pounds or 410 pounds. 65 plus full body workouts for chest, shoulders, back, arms, abs and legs. Heavy duty steel frame ensures long-lasting protection and shape retention. Adjustable, quick release seat with polyurethane high density foam cushion. Multiple cable, pulley positions for custom workouts. Ab training strap, squat bar and lat bar included. At number 4, Marcy MWM 990. For an affordable home gym, the Marcy MWM 990 is a sturdy and stylish unit that boasts plenty of features. One of these is the 150 pounds weight stack, with 10 pounds increments, allowing you to make decent strength and muscle gains. With a heavy-duty steel construction, The MWM990 offers your typical multi-gym movements. There are dual-action butterfly arms to work your chest, a multi-angle lat pull-down bar for your back and triceps, a removable preacher pad for cable bicep curls, and a padded leg developer. The spine of the unit features a chart full of exercise examples so you won't be short of inspiration during a workout. The additional accessories, such as an ankle strap, add to the versatility of this budget unit. This home gym system is made with heavy-duty steel tubing and reinforced with guard rods that hold weight in place during workouts. This gear comes with a 150-pound selectorized weight stack that can be customized according to your skill level to avoid the stresses of loading and unloading weight plates with the safety lock that prevents unauthorized use of equipment. Enjoy efficient training right in the comfort of home with this equipment featuring an innovative structure that combines arm and leg stations, great for strengthening muscle groups and achieving a comprehensive total body workout. At number 5, Wider Ultimate Body Works. The Wider Ultimate Body Works is perfect for both upper and lower body workouts. It strengthens muscles and enhances flexibility. Adjust the incline bench to your desired position with the help of pulleys on both sides, allowing you to increase or decrease the weight resistance suitable to your body weight. This home gym features our compact space-saver design, making it the perfect full-body workout equipment for home use. This very affordable unit features the same principles as Total Gym, using body weight as resistance with a gliding board and pulley system to perform the majority of exercises. There are more than 50 low-impact movements on offer, including rowing and pressing variations, as well as bicep curls, triceps pull-downs and core exercises. One unique feature is that this innovative multi-gym includes additional tension cables at the base, as a way to increase the resistance, up to 50 pounds.